Hello students, based on your query, I am making a video on titration for you today. So first of all, we see that what is titration. Okay. So titration is basically a manual technique. Titration is a manual technique, ठीक है, where a solution of a known concentration is used to determine the concentration of unknown solution in the presence of indicator. Okay, so titration is a manual technique where a solution of known concentration is used to determine the concentration of unknown solution, and that is in the presence of indicator. Okay, there are four types of titration. First is acid base titration. Second is redox titration. Third is precipitate titration. And complexometric titration. ठीक है, so let's more discuss about titration and try to understand. So this is a burette. What is this? This is burette. Okay. And this is conical flask. Okay, this is conical flask. So, like the definition, we have two solutions. We have one solution in this burette and the other solution in this conical flask. So, we take a standard solution. Standard solution in burette. The concentration and the quantity of this solution is known. This solution, the concentration and the quantity known. Okay, so we know the concentration and the quantity of this solution, and this is called the standard solution, and this is also called the titrate. Okay, now when we run this solution, here is the readings, and when we run this solution, then we also get it about the volume. Okay, so now we know the concentration of the solution, quantity of this solution, and the volume of this solution, and this is called titrate, and we can also call this standard solution. Now this is conical flask. This is our conical flask, and the solution in this called titrate or sample. We can call this solution titrate or sample. So now we have to determine the purity or the concentration of this solution. So this is unknown concentration. Okay, we know only about the quantity of this solution. We know how much solution we have taken in this flask, like 10 ml, 20 ml, 100 ml. So we have to measure the concentration of this solution. We have to measure the concentration. Okay, so what do you understand by the titration? So titration, there is a solution. For that we know the concentration and volume. By the help of that we have to determine the concentration of that solution. For we know only about the quantity. This is called the titration. So there is one solution that is standard solution. We are having the solution and we know the concentration, quantity and the volume. So this is called the known solution or standard solution. By that we have to measure the concentration of the unknown solution. So this is called the unknown solution. We don't know about the concentration. So this is the titration.